Hey traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll show you how to download and log in to MetaTrader 4. First things first, if you haven't registered with Hola Prime Markets yet, make sure to do that. After creating a demo or live account, you'll receive your login credentials on your registered email address. Now, let's download the MT4 platform. Simply log into the portal and click on Platforms here. Click on MT4 and a new page will open. Then, click on the Windows icon, and the file for the MT4 desktop version will be downloaded to your system. Once you've installed and opened the platform, this is the default MT4 layout you'll see. Now, let's log into your account. Start by going to File in the top left corner of the platform. Click on Open an Account. Select Hola Prime Demo for a demo account, and Hola Prime Live for a live account. If it doesn't appear, click Add New Broker, search for it, and click Scan. Now, simply click Next. Choose Existing Trade Account. Enter your trading ID and password. Click Finish, and that's it. You have successfully logged into MT4. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.